Hi, Dennis here. I'm speaking to you from Tbilisi, Georgia. I'm speaking to you from the center of town near Liberty Square, which in turn is near Old Tbilisi. It's rather chilly today, but yesterday was a nice, warm, for March 3rd, nice day. And I was lucky enough to be guided on a walking tour of local architecture and some historic buildings in Old Town Tbilisi by Yuli, who is a local Georgian Tbilisi native who is in charge of georgiatogo.ge. And I'll leave the link for georgiatogo.ge on this video. Wow. It's windy. I'm glad I'm not traveling today. I will leave a link for georgiatogo.ge on this video and on the shared Facebook video. Anyway, if you ever have a chance to come to Tbilisi, Georgia, I highly recommend it. And if you do, contact georgiatogo.ge. All right, see you later.